Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about the difference of squares, difference of two squares. So this is best explained through an example. Let's say we had these two binomials we were multiplying, x plus 9 and x minus 9. So we can multiply these two binomials using FOIL. So x times x and x times negative 9, positive 9 times x, and positive 9 times negative 9. So what's x times x? That is x squared. Second, x squared. X times negative 9 is negative 9x. And positive 9 times x is positive 9x. Positive 9 times negative 9 is negative 81. And then these two terms in the middle cancel out here. So we are just left with x squared minus 81. So this is how the difference of two squares works. We can get from x squared minus 81 back to x plus 9 times x minus 9 because there's a general formula. And the general formula is anytime we have any two binomials, a plus b multiplied by a minus b, that always equals a squared minus b squared. And we can show this again using FOIL. So if we used FOIL on this general formula, a plus b times a minus b, so a times a times negative b times a, and b times negative b. So what's a times a? That is a squared. A times negative b is negative ab. B times a is positive ab. And b times negative b is negative b squared. And the thing is with a difference of two squares is that the middle two terms, after you use FOIL, they're guaranteed to cancel out, always. So this ends up being a squared minus b squared, which shows that our formula is correct. So another example is, let's say we had x squared minus 36. Using this formula, we know what this evaluates to, or we know what the two binomials that make it up are. Those would be, so let's set up the parentheses. What is a in this case? So a would be this x. So let's write down the x here. One is a plus, one is a minus. And what is b in this case? B is actually, well, this 36 is b squared. The 36 is b squared. So what's b? Well, we can take the square root of both sides. So square root. And b is the square root of 36, which is 6. So we would put the 6 here in place of the b. X plus 6, x minus 6 equals x squared minus 36. So that's how a difference of two squares works. And please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.